Welcome to the Vista Acres Homestead channel. We'd like to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications button, and if you can, give us a like button. And again, thank you for watching. Hey y'all, welcome to Vista Acres Homestead. My name's David, and as you can see, hopefully, Maggie, tell everybody hey. Alright, this is a little bit different. What Maggie and I are going to do, we're going to be moving some turkeys. And then we're going to give you a real quick update on what all's going on. This is going to be the biggest change. The other big change is I let the chickens free range today, and the guineas. Hopefully they'll all go back up tonight. I used to think the turkeys was my slowest birds on the place, but dealing with guineas, turkeys might be a little bit smarter. I'm not sure. But anyway, Maggie and I, we're gonna go in here and we're gonna be moving some turkeys. They've got to come out of the brooder. We like I say, we're taking the turkeys out of the brooder. Of course, Maggie wants to help. Maggie, right? I don't need your help. I'll be these turkeys got way too big for the brooder. Hey, you think I need your help? Huh? Alright, man. Okay, that gets him out of the brooder. Maggie, stop. Maggie, we're just taking him down here, Maggie. Maggie, she don't get this concept too well. Alright, y'all. Maggie, stop. Okay, y'all. You notice chickens went up when I put that stuff in there, but this pack of guineas right here, yep, they used to have a hard time with the concept of going up. Maggie, leave them alone. We're not ready to go up tonight yet. All right, so I'll show you the footage of where I put these in here. They go up here. Maggie, behave yourself. You're in a little bit of trouble anyway. Y'all, this was the one that had a bad leg. This is the one that had the bad leg, and I could just barely catch him. So he's doing really good. Whatever it is. Y'all, this is the one the silly hens had. That was the only one they hatched. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty one. Kind of looks like it's gonna be a rooster. I mean a hen. You know, can't tell at that age. And those are all Americanas except that one is a Moran, a chocolate Moran. They're in that brooder now, so these two brooders here are empty. You'll notice I got a lot of the bob white quail eggs. I'm gonna show you what I did there. Okay, y'all, let me show you what I did with the quail eggs. Here we go. Alright, there they are. Now, if you'll notice, there's some empty spaces. And what those are for is the Texas A&M and the Pharaohs. The The reason I had to put the bob whites in first, it takes 21 days on them. So I'm gonna give them 3 days. And I guess when this thing gets down to 17, we'll start putting the Pharaohs in. I want you to notice it says it's 104. Well, it's not. If you'll look at the temperature here, it's about 99 where it's supposed to be. It's interesting, the humidity on this thing, this reader, is pretty close. We're probably about 37, 38, where that's saying we're 34. So, let's see how this incubator goes. Everything's hooked up right about it. So there's where the bob whites went. And yes, this is a different one from the one I used before. On the one I only had about 7 or 8 chicks hatch. With a majority of them. Everything looks good there. I still gotta finish cleaning up out here on the Vista. We got that pretty close, and then like I was saying, or I don't know if I did say, but Angie got sick, and which we got her on the road to recovery. They figured out what was wrong with her. She had a strep throat, which we never expected that. But quail's doing good. And the Pharaohs, they're doing pretty good. Alright, y'all. You can see the chickens are doing good. Maggie, stop. But she really didn't do anything then. Alright, the greenhouse, y'all. Bosey's doing good. There he is. He's laid back, taking it easy on the Vista. And the greenhouse, I don't know if y'all saw what we cleaned all this up. Look how fast this stuff's coming back, wherever that is. Coming back quick. And it's not wasting no time to come back and see we cleaned all this up. You see Angie's hostas, elderberry bushes. As soon as she gets well, we gotta get those planted. Greenhouse, we got it cleaned up, ready to go. And again, as soon as Angie gets well and can help me, we'll get stuff planted there. You saw the earlier video, you know, I told y'all, unfortunately, we lost one of our female turkeys. The turkey clan is one less, which I hate. I hate to lose any of them. Mama turkey over there, and Kane, she's probably getting ready to sit. It's not going to be too much longer. She's going to be sitting on eggs. All right, y'all. Maggie's wanting to show you the new turkeys. I'll show that video of us, Maggie and I, moving those. Anytime you're dealing with Maggie, your partner there, it gets interesting. Yeah, it'll take them a little bit to get used to this. They've been in that brooder, Maggie. And it'll take them a little while to get used to Maggie. But it was time to get them out. When their heads go to hitting the top of the brooder, it's time to get them out. Oh, there's geese. Well, they just got through bathing there. And yes, I did change the water this morning. And I did. I just changed the water this morning. There's all the turkeys. There they are. They're looking good. And they need their cage moved. Whew, I got a 3-day week coming up here at 10 hours a day. Actually, tomorrow will be the last day of the official work week. And old hens, I got the nesting box out of there. I got tired of that going on. And I don't know if y'all saw the video, but one of the eggs exploded. Ooh, that was nasty. I mean, it smelled for a while. There's Americanas. I'd say definitely become my favorite chick, Maggie. That's good. Maggie here, she's getting wound up. Maggie. Got a flyer coming up. Who knows with Maggie? All right, these chickens have, I think, messed their waters up. I don't know what they've done. Yeah, they got water. Brahmas, they're hard on water. They're something else. And there's old graybeard there. He is something else. He may smack the cage there, maybe. I don't know. There we go. See? Cage now, there. Look at him. Every now and then he'll well, that one where I've never had to do that. These chocolate Morans, you want a crowing rooster, they'll do some crowing. They'll do some crowing. There's no doubt they are some crowing roosters. I put the bad rooster back with the hens. He's back in here with the hens. Maybe that'll, I don't know. As long as he's good to him, he'll stay with him. If he gets bad, he can find himself somewhere else. The gourds, let me show you that with the garden. That and peppers and sweet potatoes, can't see them, the weeds have taken over. But that and sweet potatoes is about the two, and peppers, about the two biggest things going on with the garden. Those gourds are looking good. Maggie, come on. We're not riding the tractor. Maggie thinks we're riding the tractor. I'll show you. She thinks, I guess we'll get within so many feet of the tractor. She thinks we're gonna ride the tractor. Let me show you guys. Let's see which tractor she picked. Let's see which tractor she picked. Oh, she picked the John Deere. I told y'all, Maggie, we're not riding the tractor. Come on. She likes to ride the tractor. She's a tractor riding dog. Yeah. Some kind. Maggie will be Maggie. Who my pears? Got 3 of them. Probably not enough for preserves, but hey, I'm glad to get 3. That's the 2nd year of those trees. Got some apples over there too. Them apples, I don't know. I think they might be. They may be ready to pick. I don't know. Angie said she's gonna let them go a little longer. There again. Look at old Tom right there. He's pretty, ain't he? He's pretty. He is pretty. He's just strutting around there. Alright, let me show y'all. Let's see what the pigs are doing and what the peppers are doing. We'll take a look at the peppers. Alright, y'all. Looks like I need to get in and pick some cayennes. They are ready. Looks like I got some more ghost peppers ready. Yep. We'll have some jalapenos if they last long enough. I think that's what they, no. Now, I'm not sure what these are. I know one thing, that's ants. That's not good. And here's my big green peppers. Well, how they're doing. Yeah, they looking pretty good. Really need to be off the ground, but yeah. There's one turned red back here. I guess it's red. Yep. Well, there's 2 red ones. Well, there's one that's already beyond ready. Probably should be picking it with my hands. These are not what I thought they was. Nope. Yeah, they don't smell. My hands don't smell hot. Now, I saw a red one. In there. I bet it's rotten. So I might be getting these green ones off. Oops. Yeah. I better get those. Alright, y'all. Oh man. Let's see if we got any grapes left. We got a few we need to get. Yep. See them? We need to get out here and get the grapes. Looks like they're finished. I think Angie froze a bunch of them. We're ready to juice them. She still had not bought a juicer. Those didn't have any, but these last week had some. Yeah, right there, that was probably about ready. I said these would probably be ready. And it'll be ready in the next few days. It's probably ready now. All right, y'all. Give you a tour of the flowers. They're pretty. Butterfly bushes look really good. Hydrangeas, it's starting to end, but it still looks pretty. It don't look bad. So it's ending. Yeah. Okay, y'all, that kind of wraps it up on the Vista. Maggie and I, we kind of hopefully gave y'all a pretty good tour of what's going on here at the Vista. Did I tell y'all I got guineas? You guys see them? Yeah, I got guineas. Again, y'all, we really appreciate each one of you that have subscribed. If you can, hit that like button if you liked the video. If you hadn't subscribed, please subscribe. And again, thank you for watching, and I hope everybody has a really good weekend.